What's good, guys? Today is Wednesday and I've taken the first trade of the week on NAS 100. I think this is my first time trading NAS 100 for the last 2 weeks now. I came to this chart Monday, Tuesday. I could not find a setup, and today Wednesday I just got the first trade of the week. Previously price was in profit. Price dropped until this point, but now it came back to my entry. If price can come back and break this low, then I'm going to trust this trade, but at the moment I don't really know them. I don't really know. I hope this trade can work out. So if you look at the trading view, price came to this supply zone and I saw the rejection, and also price swept this liquidity. That gave me a hint that this might potentially work out, or this is a sell opportunity. And also price has been shifting bearish for the previous hours now. Let's see how this setup is going to work. I'm going to update you guys about the final outcome of this trade. I've already updated my Telegram channel about this trade. Damn. Let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'm going to update you guys. So guys, I got a re-entry on this move. I've already updated the trade on my Telegram channel that the first trade stopped me out. Damn, this is the first time in a while I'm doing this, taking 2 trades in a day. Majority of the time I tend to take 1 trade or 1 setup in a day, but today after price stopped me out, it started rejecting, which also give me the clue that price could potentially drop to the downside. So I got a re-entry. My risk is managed at the moment. The trade is in profit at the moment. And one thing about this trade is this: if it happens to hit TP, then I'm going to recover for today, and also I'm going to keep profits. Maybe 0.5%, I don't really know, but anyway, I'm going to update you guys about this trade setup. Let's see what the market can do from here.
What's good, guys? Today is Friday and I don't really know, but I think my physique is actually getting better because I've been working out since the beginning of this year. Let me see.
You do not have to know what is going to happen next on a trade by trade basis. This trade and this particular trade and this particular trade, you don't have to enter these trades thinking that you know what's going to happen next to win, to make consistent money. And that when you stop.
So I think I'm actually getting better. Damn. At the moment, I'm going out to make some vlogs, but I'm going to update you guys about that trade on Wednesday, because yesterday I did not trade at all. And yesterday that I did not trade, price ended up giving a very nice setup. Like, I don't just know, this we don't show up to the chart, the market ends up giving up a clean setup and we tend to miss the move. Like yesterday I was not available on the chart and the market moved for over 1:4. I swear to God, I would have held that trade. I would have cashed that full move. And you know I'll be up for the month and even for the week already, but I missed the trade. Anyway, we don't need to cry over a missed opportunity. Opportunity in the market are unlimited, and we just have to keep our heads up and keep going. Sometimes I really pissed with myself for being broke, man. Like, I really hate myself. Like, why are you going to be broke? Like, why should you be broke as a nigga? But anyway, that's the reason we are working, and that's the reason we are grinding, and that's the reason we are believing in a dream. That dream is going to transform us from being a brokey to a richie. I'm going to catch you guys outside. I'm going out at the moment, and when I come back, I'm going to update you guys about the missed opportunity of yesterday and also the trade of Wednesday, because I'm typically up 0.5 for the week, and today is Friday. New York section is coming. I might potentially see what I can get from the market. I don't know if I'm going to end this week profitable yet, but for now I'm up 0.5% for the week. I'm going to catch you guys out.
Guys, I'm back on the chart and I've taken the last trade of the week on gold. You guys know I trade gold and NAS 100. Look at the trade from the Meta 5. I'm deep in profit at the moment. This is going to be the last trade of the week. Today is Friday. Remember, I told you guys I'm going to update you guys shortly about the trade on Wednesday. This was the trade on Wednesday. This was the trade. Remember, I took the first trade, price stopped me out and I got in. You can see price dropped, consolidated a little, then towards, I think, open of Asian section, I took profit. I had intention of holding this trade, but bro, I don't have that mind to hold. Anyway, that's the trade on Wednesday. I end up closing 0.5% overall for this day, because the first trade I lost 1%. The second trade I closed partials and overall I made 1.5%. You guys know how I trade. You know the plan. TP1 I close partials. That's the same thing I'll be doing today
TP1, I'm going to be closing partials, and I think TP1 is somewhere around there. TP1 is somewhere around there for this trade today. Gold is moving crazy at the moment. You can see I'm floating in profit. I already updated this trade on my Telegram channel. So whatever happens, I'm going to update them. Hope this week comes out profitable, because if this trade hits TP, even if it's just TP1, or just imagine it hits TP2, then overall this is going to be a super profitable week. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. Initially, I said I'm going to do some vlogs while I'm out, but I could not do any vlog. Anyway, let's see how this trade is going to play out. The time right now is about 3:15 p.m. It's New York session at the moment. I'm going to update you guys about this trade.
So guys, if you look here, you will notice that TP1 have been hit. You can see TP1 have been hit here. I've closed partials. I've closed half of my position. That's $52. Initially, my risk for this trade was $100, and you can see here I closed half of my position. And now I'm going to let my runners to come to this point. I need price to take out this liquidity. That's my final target. But anyway, I might close above here, because above here is also a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. My TP is set already for the runners. You can see my TP is set already. My TP is set already for my runners. What the fuck is happening here? My runners is $106. Okay, yeah. But that's how it's supposed to be. But anyway, this is where my runners is. The TP, I'm going to be closing them here automatically, because I don't need to be looking at this chart. I've closed partials and I've adjusted my stop loss to break even to the entry, and this trade is a risk-free trade for the runners. So guys, this is the free Telegram channel. I have over 164 subscribers on the Telegram community. You can see when I took the trade. You can see the trade here, sales on gold, last trade of the week, and I just updated them that TP1 hit partial secure, stop loss at break even. So this is where I share my trade. It's a free Telegram channel. If you want to join the Telegram community, the link will be in the description. You can see I've been sharing my trade. You can see the trade on Wednesday when I took the trade, first trade of the week. Then I said I got a re-entry on this move. First one got stopped out, and I updated them. And also I updated them when the thing got to break even, and I secured partials, and the full TP when it hit, I also updated them. I've been doing this, like if you scroll back, I've been doing this way long. So I share my trades here for free. It's a free Telegram community. If you want to join, the link will be in the description to join the Telegram community. So guys, TP have been smashed on this trade. TP have been smashed, and see I closed overall 1.5%, which is typically a 1:2 trade. See the update from the Telegram channel. Full TP, you can see it here, full TP hit, super fine week. You can see the trade. TP have been smashed. My laptop is off already, so you can see it here. TP have been smashed, bro. You can see when I took the trade. This is when I closed partials. I updated you guys. I also updated the Telegram channel. This is when I took the trade, and now full TP was smashed on this trade, and I'm typically done for this trading week. At this moment or this point, I'm going to declare this week a profitable week, and I'm done trading for this week and for. So guys, this is typically how nature is. Damn. It feels good to be with nature. It feels good to like just feel the world, feel your environment. I'm typically done trading for this week. This week was a banger week. This week was an insane week. It was profitable, and I'm super excited, honestly speaking. Tell me, who is that person that's not going to be excited for a profitable week? Like, why are we trading? We are trading to be profitable. We are trading to make money. And if you are not making money, or you end up being profitable for a day or for a week, you should be excited, or even a month. Like last month was super profitable for me. Like you guys saw last month. Last month was profitable for me. And if you observe, I'm not just trying to or rushing to pass this account. I'm focusing on trying to build consistency. Like, it's only me that know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build consistency in my trading, because I know if I have consistency here, I'll be profitable for the next 10 years. So now tell me, why am I trying to pass an account if I know that if I succeed in having consistency, or I succeed in building consistency, I'll be able to pass any account for the next 10 years, bro? All it's gonna take is time. So tell me, I'm literally shouting. Someone looking at me. Okay, no, just the bed. Just the bed looking at me. Anyway, guys, this week is a profitable week. I'm done trading for this week. This is a P&L for this week. And I'm super excited to end this week profitable. How's your trading week? Tell me about your trading week. I used to ask you guys the same question every week, but it seems like people are no longer watching this channel. But anyway, we are close to 1.5k subscribers, and most of you guys watch this video and you don't subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. I just document my journey and show the transparency of trading. No matter what, even if it's just one person coming to view me, I'll still be documenting my journey. I must document my journey. Today I tried to do vlog, but there was no one to like help me hold the camera and record. You know, when you're vlogging, you don't do that alone. Like a clip like this where I'm just putting the camera on my face and talking, I can do that alone. But doing something like vlogs, walking, trying to capture experiences and moments, you need someone with you. You can't easily do that alone. Even if you try to do it alone, it's going to be boring, unlike when you have someone with you. But anyway, we keep pushing, we keep going. I'll still be creating content no matter what. I'm going to repeat this. Even if it's one viewer, I'm going to be creating content. So I'm not creating for views. I'm creating because I want to document my journey. I'm creating because my videos someday, even if it's not today, even if it's not this week, even if it's not this year, someday in the future, it's going to help someone motivate themselves. It's going to help someone get inspired and be like, oh, growth is possible. I used to say this countless of times. Growth is possible. You can go from like a small version of yourself to a high version of yourself. Externally, I'm trying to improve every day. I'm trying to become the best version of myself. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's not easy. It's not easy to become the best version of yourself. There are a lot of distractions in this world. Girls, drugs, alcohol, a lot of things that can easily get you distracted. So it's not easy to become the best version of yourself, but we keep trying, we keep going. I used to say one thing to myself: never stop trying to quit and never stop trying to give up. Like, there are some certain things you don't have to stop trying to give up, and there are some certain things you don't have to give up trying to accomplish, something like that. Like your bad habits, you don't need to quit trying to quit your bad habits or stuff like that. And also trying to like hack that, or let's say unlock that good habit you desire or you dream of. You don't need to stop to. At the end of the day, don't stop giving up, don't stop trying, something like that. Anyway, this is the end of this week. I hope to catch you guys next week. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I'm walking backward like a fool. Am I done? Damn. A girl just passed me and she was like looking at me like, who is this madman? So I'm done trading for this week. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend once again. I love the birds in the sky. God damn it, and the nature is super crazy. This like I'm gonna call this therapy. Damn. Enjoy your weekend, guys.